let's go. Let's make sure that we're along here. And yep, looks like we are all set to go right now. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to SSH back in. So using user and password 321 to log in here. Let's zoom this in so you guys can see it a bit better. So SSH user there we go, and then yes, and the password is password 321. There we go. We're in user at Debian. Now let's go ahead and start here. So cron jobs, file permissions. Cron jobs are programs or scripts which users can schedule to run at specific times or intervals. We know that. Cron table files. Cron tab store the configuration for cron job. The system-wide cron tab is located at DC cron tab. Alright. View the contents of the system-wide cron tab. So cat etc cron tab. And /etc run. Oh, whoops. Tab. There we go. So that's cron tab right there. Full screen now, so we can see it with better formatting here. There we go. We got the two scripts that run pretty much every single minute here. Look at the file. I think I already did this actually, as a matter of fact. Yeah, I already did that. I'm pretty sure I already did that. Yeah, we already did that. So we use nano to replace the contents of this file with that, which is a reverse shell code. So it gives us a reverse shell that we can capture using a listener on our local machine. So we're done that. So we're actually at task 9 here, which it's not really halfway through just yet. Is this the same as well? No, I think this is different. Or wait, was this different? Hold up. Yeah, no, I did this. I definitely did this. So we're on this one here. Let's see. View the contents of the system-wide cron tab, which we just did. Note that the path variable starts with home user, which is our user's home directory. Create a file called over.sh in your home directory with the following contents. Okay. Make sure the file is executable. So let's go to our home user. cd home. There we go, let's pwd. So yeah, we are in the home user directory, and we are going to create a file called override.sh in the home directory here. We're just gonna open nano, and then we're gonna copy the contents of this. So this is a bash file with the the hash bang. What's it called? I forgot what this is called here, but yeah, it basically tells us that this is a bash thing, pretty sure. And copy bin mesh mod. Okay, cool. But now we're gonna do it first, and then we're gonna get ChatGPT to explain us that. Actually, let's get ChatGPT to explain to us what we're doing first, because the explanation here isn't it's not always like really in depth. So we're gonna go with this here, and we're gonna give it to ChatGPT. We're gonna feed it. Being the system-wide cron tab, so yeah, that's fairly easy. I think we can all understand what that means. This will show you the contents of the system-wide cron tab, which schedules tasks for execution. Yeah, it can lead to privilege escalation if the user is able to modify the script that gets executed with elevated privileges. Creating the override.sh file. Create a script called override.sh in the user's home directory. Yep. Echo-e. No, I use nano to do it. I guess we could also do that. I guess if we didn't have nano installed on the remote machine, we would have to do that, but we didn't have to do it, so that's cool. The script copied bin bash to tmp root bash and gives it the set UID bit, allowing it to be executed with root pages. Okay, so the script basically just copies bin bash to this and gives it the set UID bit. Okay, waiting for the cron job to run. The cron job should execute the script within a minute. Okay, yeah, so we wait for the cron job to run, and then it starts and it executes the script. The scripting the tmp root bash file with the SUID permission, getting a root shell. The user execute the following to root shell. Okay, the p flag has to retain elevated privileges. Okay, clean up the accessing. Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, no, that's cool. Thank you very much for doing a bit of explaining here. I will get back to it then. So we got the nano file open. We're gonna copy this, and yeah, we already did that. And now we just save it. So Control X. I'm gonna save it as override.sh. Hello, it's not writing here. Okay, is my keyboard? No, my keyboard is not broken. Hello. My keyboard working? It is working. Why is it not working here then? Cancel that. There we go. Yeah, we can type. Okay, cool. Control X and modify. Oh, okay, yeah, modify it, yes. And then file name, so override .sh. There we go. Alright, perfect. And then if we ls now, we got override.sh. Now we need to make sure that we give it executable. Like we make it executable. Hey, hello. Alright. Make it executable. And there it is, executable now. Wait for the cron job to run. It should not take longer than a minute. Do I wait for the cron job to run first and then I'll run it, or do I run it and then I'll wait? What are you doing? I am doing this is basic Linux privilege escalation, and I have no idea what I'm doing half of the time, but I guess getting practice is useful. You know, I guess at some point I'm gonna start understanding what I'm doing. But yeah, we already gave it executable permissions. So now, hold on, yeah. So I did that. It copies bin bash to temp root bash and it gives it the SUID bit allowing it to be executed with root privileges. So okay, so yeah, wait for it to run the scripting with the SUID. And then okay, so we have to wait for it to actually execute and then we run it. Okay. Oh, so yeah, when this is gonna run, it's then gonna create this, and then when we run that, we get root. Okay, cool. Looks good. Looks all right. We're getting slowly used to it, you know. Slowly, but surely. Wait for the cron job to run. I mean, it should have run by now. I don't know. We'll try to run it. See if we can. Alright, and there we go. We got root bash. Remember to remove the modified code. If we continue, create a file later in the stream. Alright, that's, yeah, we definitely root. Yes, we are. Alright, perfect. Did you buy TryHackme course? I paid for the monthly subscription. I paid for the monthly subscription. It's like $12 a month, basically. Yeah. What is the value of the poll variable in? Oh, what the hell is this? The poll variable. I have no idea what this means. What is the value of the poll variable. What is the value of the path variable in etc cron tab? Okay. I'm almost ChatGPT because I have no idea what this means. Honestly, hold on. Thank you for the follow, Z27OF6. The value of the path variable in typically defines directories where the system will look for executable files when running cron jobs. It is stem.at configuration. Might look something like this. Okay, hold up. What is the value of the path variable? I mean, this is separated by stuff here, so I don't know if it's. I mean, is this home? And then is this home user? And then this is like something else, and this is like something else. I have no idea. Path is equal to home user bin. Is that it? This is not it, is it? That's not it. That's definitely not it. That is definitely not it. I have no idea what this is here. I have no idea what it wants from me. We already got root. I don't know what it's asking me for here now, honestly. Yeah, we have to. I'm gonna bother about that later on. Removing what we created here. So, alright. So the path, it starts with home user, so I'm guessing this is what this is gonna be here. So home user, and then I'm guessing this is the start right here, like this is home user, and then what the hell is the remaining here? The rest is all of this crap right here. Hold up. So where is override? Does it such again? It was. Locate. So it's over there. Oh, maybe I need to hold on. Control V and CD in there, and then maybe I have to like actually give it the full path. Maybe that's what he wants. Not the directory. What the fuck? Oh, hold up. There we go. And PWD. Use your local bin. Was that the full path? I have no idea. I mean, it has to. Hold up. CD dot. 3D. So we're now in root. We can't go back anymore, right? This is root, so there's nothing below that, surely. Yeah, this is root. So okay, yeah, no. So home user. Wait, what? Hold on. So we created an override .shell in a different directory. This is not where the cron jobs are normally. Yeah. This doesn't really do like, it's more of just telling you how to do it, you know, more than explaining it here. Like, it doesn't really explain it in detail, I feel like. Because I have no idea what the hell this means, honestly. It didn't talk about this at all. I could go and look at it right up here and see what they do. Because I honestly, I mean, I already have root. It already told me how to get root on the machine. It didn't tell me like what the hell this path thing is though. Hold up. Try to go find somebody did this bit here and explain it hopefully to me. Linux PrivEsc escalation. Same. That's me. I think this is it right here, maybe. Let's see.
Is going to be the actual login until the final box. So we're going to do 10, 10.
This might be another one he's doing here.
On the actual machine, the reason that's important is simple. If I'm trying to run a Python script on their machine and they don't have Python,
I can't see his link up there.
All
Hold
right,
on.
so here's
the link.
What is the host name of the target system? So if you remember, we already did this. We typed host name.
Yeah, it's Linux. Is it Linux, bro? I can't see shit.
What is the Linux kernel?
It's lin PrivEsc. PrivEsc something. Hold on. It's not the same thing, is it? No, it is the same thing. Did the room change? I think they changed the room. It's probably why we can't. Yeah, they probably changed the room. Probably updated the room.
So you type uname A, and you can see we get the 3.13024 generic. It's down here. All right, now what Linux?
Yeah, it's not the same. It's not the same thing here. Hold on. Let's try this one here. We'll see if he did. Okay. Same. What the hell is Bro doing? What is he bro, did he do? Is he just... Did he take 40 minutes just to do the first task? Did I just find somebody who's more retarded than me, man? What the hell? No, for real, he actually took a whole 40 minutes just to do that. Okay, yeah, no, there's no way this guy's gonna tell me what I need to know here. Right. Well, I mean, like, maybe he could just speedrun for the second part of it, so I don't know. Let's see here. That question is a little confusing to me too. You can echo path to see which directories are in your current user's path. That's not in the cron path, and right might be in the cron tab file. Hold up, got the cron tab file. etc cron tab. So cd /etc /cron tab. Not cat. Let's do that. Get it. Cat. Okay, I have no idea what this could be here. You can echo $path. Alright, we'll try doing that. So, do I have to do that in my home directory? Or, like, where do I have to do that? So, yep, we're not home. Let's echo $path. $PATH path. See what this does. Okay, I think this is it here. I think this might be it. This looks like it could be it. We're gonna try to copy and paste it. I think we have to actually, be there though. So cd etc cd/etc. Let's. It showed you at the top, really? Oh, it did. It did. I'm just stupid. It actually did. Yeah, it did. Does it not show me this? Does it not show me this? does it not automatically just show me this? Like when I am. Do I have to be root for it to show me that? Okay, hold on. Let me just remove that. Remove that here. There we go. Get that out, and then let's exit. And then I'm gonna try. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna try to see if we could see the path. So exit, and then let's cat. There we go. Got that. So those show us the path. So technically, this answer, we don't even need to be root to view this answer. And I mean, it didn't really point it out. See, like I'm kind of stupid sometimes. Thanks for helping out, by the way, Trey. Thank you very much, man. Because I would have probably not figured this out if you didn't tell me about that. I would have probably took like hours to find something that was just straight up hidden in plain sight, man. Like it was right in front of me. I believe it takes the path environment variable from which user creates the cron. Okay, so it takes the path environment variable from which the user creates the cron. So, see, like my English is terrible. I'm not somebody who speaks English natively, so that sentence there had a lot of words that, like, path environment. Yeah, no problem. I did see if you could figure it out before I helped out. Thank you very much. I would have probably not figured it out by myself, honestly. Because, like, when I was looking at the cron job site, even when I used cat, I was looking from here and below. I did literally not pay attention to anything that was here. I literally did not pay attention to any of that. So, I would have probably not found it out. I would have probably not found it out anytime soon. Anyways, we're moving on here. Thank you very much again for the help. It was much needed. Yeah, it took me a minute to see it in the output too, yeah. Did you already finish this room, by the way, Trey? Do you also do some TryHackme? View the contents of the other cron job script, cat user local bin compress shell. Okay, so we're gonna view what is in the compressed shell, which is the other one. Yeah, that's the other one that is set to run every single minute here. So let's see. So it's again a bin shebang. So it's like a bash thing. Okay, I don't know what. I remember that they told us about this. Again, I don't take notes, so I'm gonna forget stuff. But eventually, if it's important, I'll probably remember it at some point. I've never done TryHackme, but it looks cool. I'm gonna try it in the future. I'm working on HackTheBox stock right now. Honestly, if you can do. Thank you for the follow, King Potato. Honestly, if you can do HackTheBox stuff, I think TryHackme is not gonna be that hard. I feel like TryHackme, if you're starting out, is much better because it's like much more beginner friendly. HackTheBox straight up is a bit more, I don't know, a bit more daunting to get started with. You know, like even the basic stuff. There's like, it basically just throws you in there, and it just, you know, like the starter, the beginner stuff is like, yeah, it's not really kind of like beginner stuff, you know. Like it just expects you to know commands like ls, pwd, cd, you know, stuff like that. It just expects you to already know it, whereas TryHackme just teaches you everything from the basics up. I feel like if you've, like, the only thing that is really like in depth on TryHackme is like networking. That's the only thing that, you know, I feel like it wasn't really like in depth. I learned a lot of the networking stuff that I learned it from Skills for All by Cisco, which was pretty good. Like it's really good to get started with the networking basics, and it's all free. So that really helped me out. All right, let's so yeah, view that, and it basically just cds into home user and then tar tzf temp backup. I'm guessing this is some sort of, I'm guessing it just uncompresses whatever this is here, and then I don't know what it does with it. So I think this, it just uncompresses it. Note that the tar command is being run with a wildcard in your home directory. Take a look at the diff bench page for tar. take a look at that. Now that tar has command line options that let you run other commands as part of the checkpoint failure. So tar has command line options that let you run other commands as part of the checkpoint. So you can run other commands as part of a checkpoint failure. I have no idea what a checkpoint failure even is. See, like this side is good, but sometimes there's like gaps, you know, like what the hell is a checkpoint failure? Use MSF Venom on your Kali box to generate a reverse shell elf binary. Update the elf host address accordingly. So we're gonna generate a reverse shell elf binary. Okay, so this is the command right here. MSF Venom payload Linux x64 shell reverse TCP. So if I'm not this is a stageless payload, right? If there's no forward slash, then it's a stageless payload, I'm pretty sure. Now we're gonna just update our local address here, and then the port is good, and then the output is gonna be shell.elf. So we're gonna generate that on another terminal on our local machine here. So again, make that a bit bigger for you guys to see, and let's make it half off here. Let me know if you guys can't see. By the way, let's zoom in a bit more. There we go. Now let's just get this. I don't know if I have to be. I don't think I have. I don't believe I have to be in Metasploit to run MSF Venom, but I might be wrong. We might have to start Metasploit first. We'll just let it run here, and we'll see what it does. If we have to start it up, then we will. But yeah, we're just gonna let it run right now. Yeah, I don't know if this is working. I'm gonna let it run. Okay, there we go. So not selected, selecting arch. Put size, final size of alpha. See if this. Okay, yeah, so it worked. We didn't have to start Metasploit for that. Perfect. So we got our shell right here. Now I'm guessing we're gonna upload this in here. Yeah. Transfer the shell file to host/user. On DMV, we can use SCP or host file on web server. On your HackTheBox, use 3ms. The file is executable. So let's start a Python web server here. Let's ls to see if it's here. It is here. We don't need to make it executable right now on our own machine, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it doesn't need to be executable on our own machine because we're not gonna execute it right now. Just start Python web server. This is why I don't take notes, because I can just ask ChatGPT to give me the code to do stuff. Yeah, there we go. Python and server 8000, and yeah, port 8000 should be good because we're not using that right now. The port that we set up for. Oh wait, shit. I forgot to let's delete rm shell.elf. Because I forgot to change my IP in here to my actual local IP. So I'm gonna do that and then regenerate the payload here. So it's gonna be 10.10.43.193. So, and then the L port, we're gonna leave that be, and then elf, yeah, that's cool. Hello, cybersecurity just being saucy as usual. How's it going, man? How's it going? How is it going? All right, there we go. Now we should be good. We're gonna just wait for this to generate. I'm good. Can't really complain. You know, just doing the usual, studying. Since Football Manager is free, I started literally an international manager. Really, is it free on PC? Is it free? I don't want to get like addicted to it though. Like I don't want to play because I'm probably gonna just spend a lot of time on it, and I don't want that. All right, let's start the Python web server here. There we go. We are serving on that port 8000. There we go. So we can download from that. And then we can download. So download file from web server using wget. I think it's the wget the IP. Hold up, I'm gonna tell you what it is, or what I think it is. I'm gonna write it down here if I remember correctly. So it's gonna be something like wget IP, so 10.43.193, and then it's gonna be the port, so 8000, and then it's gonna be / shell.elf. Think this is it. I might be wrong. We're gonna try and see. There we go. We got it correctly. Nice. Yes, Epic until 19th or 12th. I don't know. I'll get it. I'll probably just grab it and have it in my library here. Yep. Okay. HTTP that. Okay. I did not put HTTP in, but yeah, cool. Alright, cool. We got it. Yeah, got the file 70. It's saved. Shell.elf saved. Nice. Now we just need to make it just pdl here and ls. Alright, cool. Let's chmod plus x shell.elf. Let's ls again. Now it's executable. Nice. Very nice. Create these two files in home /user touch home user checkpoint is equal to 1. So okay, I'm gonna create these. So that. Let me just see what this does. So yeah, create a -- checkpoint is equal to 1. How is it though? How's Football Manager? Is it nice? And then touch home user -- checkpoint action execute shell.elf. So I'm gonna guess this is what is gonna execute the shell.elf here. Can I not just straight up execute it? What if I wanted to just like execute that, you know, straight up shell.elf? Yeah, no, it doesn't really work. It doesn't really do nothing here. Alright. When the attack command in the current job runs, the wildcard will expand to include these files since the founders are valid talk command line options. So I'll recognize them as such and treat them as command line options rather than file names. Okay. Set up a netcat listener on your HackTheBox on port 444 and wait for the cron job to run. Should not take long enough. A root shell should connect back to you. Okay. Okay, that's nice. I had to sim 70 days for my first game in the Euro qualifiers against Montenegro. You had to sim 70 days for your first game in the Euro qualifiers against Montenegro, and while simming had to create tactics, replace injured players and shit. While simming Faroe Islands, team of played multiple times Faroe Islands, invited me to play friendly, which is 3 days after game against Montenegro. My most important fullbacks got injured, replaced them with youngsters, and my experienced players got angry with my decisions because I'm a new manager and don't know what I'm doing, putting on experienced players. But then they got angry after the results. We won against Montenegro 2-1 after a hardball match and smashed Faroe Islands 4-0. Everyone in the team and federation are happy. Nice, bro. I guess you can be the next manager then. Very nice. Alright, we can stop the Python web server now, and we could set up a netcat listener. So netcat-lb on port 4444. There you go. Start the listener up, and now we wait for a connection. Yeah. So yeah, we obviously don't want this from just happening over again. Now let's get ChatGPT to, you know, maybe do some explaining again to us here, because we are not the brightest in the room right now. So let's get that to ChatGPT. Alright, let's see. Okay, yep, so yeah, that we already did view the script, generate a reverse shell using MSFL. We did generate a reverse shell. we did that. Transfer the shell out to the target machine. You can also use. We did that. Using a web server. Yep, we already did that. Then on the target machine, we already got that. Make the shell out file executable. We already did that. Create the checkpoint files. These files will be treated as valid command lines options when the cron runs. So. Oh, I guess this is, you know, it's gonna execute the shell.l. Checkpoint action. Okay, yeah. I guess, okay, cool. I'm sorry to ask this, but I just wanted your help in my terminal in Arch Linux. I can go to Firewall and it works well, but now when I go to the terminal, it doesn't work, bro. Honestly, I have never used Arch. To be honest, Tux. I am not the smartest person. I am probably not qualified to help you with that. But I can try to help you with it. I can try to help you with it. So, like, you can go to Firefox, but when you go to terminal, it doesn't work. So your terminal doesn't work. That's weird. And our second shot striker made him starter. He's very happy after scoring a hat-trick last game, buzzing on the news feed via the game. Okay, nice, very nice, man. Definitely, you got what it takes to be next manager, I guess, man. The next manager. Okay, I should have probably taken a look at the tar thing here. Oh, so the tar has command line options that let you run other commands as part of the checkpoint. So I'm guessing you use this checkpoint. I'm guessing you abuse this stuff here to run the shell.elf, because you can't run it. It doesn't allow you to run it, but because of the tar vulnerability that's present, you abuse the checkpoint thing, and it enables you to actually run the shell. It doesn't connect to internet. Are you listening to port? What is port? Port. No, this is chill cartoon vibes. Just a random thing that I found on YouTube. It's pretty nice. It's kind of chill, you know. It's very, very chill, actually. Sorry, I gotta blow my nose real quick here. You watching France Belgium today? I don't watch any football games against United, and that, you know, that gives me cancer already. Are you listening to port? Port as in yes, I am listening to port. There we go. PWD, and then if we say who am I, we should be root. Yes, we are root. There we go. Perfect. So we did get a root connection, and yeah, we did escalate privileges successfully here. There we go. There we go. We got what we were looking for. Let's just make sure we can stop listening now. We already know we have root. Let's just remove everything here. So we're gonna remove that shell.elf file. So we're gonna remove that so it doesn't execute again. And then I'm gonna remove the checkpoints that we created for the tar exploit. Nope. Let's copy that. Slap that in there. Alright, there we go. That should have removed everything that we added. I'll watch it, but Lithuania plays same timing as Romania. We're probably gonna get killed once the boss cut. This is as close as a to a bot. Like, this is literal. Is this not a bot? Is this not a bot? Not a bot. Not a bot, bro. Is this not a boss cut, guys? Like, look. This is like my hair is literally short as hell, bro. Like, look at that. This is how, like, literally, like, this is as close as a boss cut as we're gonna get here, bro. Like, literally, my hair is short as hell, man. Like, look. This is how tall my hair is right now. How can I set proxy on terminal so that it allows internet? Did you try like pinging stuff? I can't really show you on my own PC because it's gonna show my IP. Well, I don't know if it's gonna actually show my IP, but like, did you try to like ping stuff like IP config? You know, did you try that IP config? Oh, sorry, IF config. Netstat, did you try those? See if everything's working correctly, you know, on your PC. Try to ping your router and see if you can ping your router. If you can ping your router back and forth, then that means, you know, you probably got a connection to your router, and it's probably, you know, there's a problem where you're not able to connect to a website. Maybe it might be a DNS problem, something like that, you know, something along those lines. Did you have this problem before, or do you have a fresh install of Arch and you're getting that problem from it? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, wait, shit. I actually was showing you like ifconfig and stuff like that, but I forgot to change my screen. Just like try running ifconfig, netstat, maybe try pinging. You know, try pinging like Google DNS. I think it's Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, which should be the Google DNS server. Try pinging that, see if you can get access to that. You know, I lost your message. Sorry about that. Let me see what you said. I'll watch it, but if you know, where's the boss code coming? I have a boss code. Oh, you got a boss code. Wait, no, you already had a boss code. Yeah, already had a boss code. I mean, that's, bro. Why do you look like you look like Pulisic, bro? You literally look like Pulisic. Why are you dead, by the way? You had to flex your girlfriend on me, didn't you? You had to flex the fact that you got a girlfriend, huh? Okay, great. Thank you, man. Thank you. You literally look like Pulisic and like Hazard's younger brother. Like, you look like Pulisic and Hazard's younger brother, like a mix between the two. Basically, that's what you look like right now. All right, cool. You mean Togen? Yeah, exactly. Togen. That's what I meant. Alright, forget Togen. We already got rid of everything here. And we're good. We cleaned up the VM. Yeah, we did some nice cleanup here. We should be good to go back. Yeah, let's complete this. Or we should be good to move on, is what I meant to say. Let's see. Alright, we're moving on. Find all the SUIDs. So that's SUID is like something set user ID, and then this is set group ID executables on the Debian VM. So find type f dash perm. See, like, there's no way I'm gonna remember all of this, boys. Like, definitely this is some stuff that you have to save, or you know, like, you have to know at least, you know, like, it's gonna be useful to find this, and then you ask ChatGPT how to find that. It gives you the command, and then you just slap it in there. You know, it's probably not something you have to remember by heart. I'm gonna run it right now, just in case it takes a bit of time to, you know, do it, which didn't take long at all. Note that user has been exim 483 appears in the results. Try to find a known exploit for this version of exploit. Google and GitHub are a good place to search. Okay, so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find a known exploit for that in a sec here. But first, let me take a short break. Gonna take a short 3-minute break here, and then I'm gonna get back to it, because yeah, I need to take a break, refresh for a bit, and then we'll be right back in about 3-ish minutes here, guys. So Cristiano, 901 goals. Yeah, who did he score against? Hold up, hold that thought. Tell me when I'm back. Tell me when I'm back in like 3 to 4 minutes here. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. We could be. Yeah, we're good to go. Alright, let's see. So, yeah, Scotland and Croatia. Nice. Croatia's actually, they're both pretty good teams. I think Dallo and Bruno also scored, right? Dallo and Bruno. My United boys also scored. Yeah, we did let's look at this full screen real quick here. So, where's our music, by the way? Oh, I paused it. My bad, guys. Sorry for pausing the medieval music here. All right. So yeah, we found all the SRD executables. Yep. Okay, cool. The user appears in the result. Try to find an exploit for this version of exim. So, user ben exim. Yeah, there it is. Exim 4.84.-3. So try to go to exploit DB and I'll look it up here. Should be a copy can be found on Debian VM at home. Oh, there's a copy of that. We run the exploit script. Oh, it's already on the Debian VM. So I thought I would have to like thought I have to find it, but yeah, it's already on the VM there. There's nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing. Alright, oh wait, it was right there. It was right there. Right there. Local privilege escalation. ADB verified. Yes, sir. And here is the whole script right here. Alright, let's execute it then. Run the exploit to get a. Let's cd in there. So copy. And now okay, close that, I guess. Hello, Shubham. Alright, let's cd in there, and then let's ls. Yep, and let's ./cbe. Let's run it, and boom, root. Who am I? 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 We are root. There we go. That was. Hello, sir. Hello, Shubham. How's it going, man? This was probably one of the easiest ones we had. You know, it basically just had. It could have made it a bit harder for us. You know, obviously I was never gonna find this command. Maybe actually, if it asked us to research for the command to find that, you know, we would have gone and we would have found this, and then we would have been able to, you know, look for all that, and then from that, you know, it could have asked us, you know, what is something that you think you could exploit, and you know, the only thing here that has a version number attached to it is this, so you know, that kind of gives us a sign that maybe we could exploit it, and then we go look up exploit db for it, see if there's a known exploit for it, and there we go, there is one, and then you know, we exploited it, we would run it. But this one, it kind of just handed it all to us on a platter, really, which it was a bit too easy, in my opinion. This one, like the other ones, you know, we kind of struggled a bit. This one, I feel like, was a bit too easy. Ooh, begin fail. Yeah, no, that's fine. Don't really care. We are back to that though. CD into a home directory. There we go. Alright, we're done here. Nice. Moving on now. The user local bin SUID executable is vulnerable to shared object injection. Okay, so we can inject stuff into the shared file. Hello sir, Hindi blog. So what is this topic? I'm currently studying cybersec, and this is particularly Linux privilege escalation right now. This is what we're doing. Yeah, get back to it. The user local bin SUID-SO is vulnerable. Yeah. All right. First, execute the file and note that currently displays a progress bar before executing. So let's execute the file. Let's go in there. CD. Okay. I think I can't. It's gonna tell me it's not. Yeah, it's not a directory. Let's cd up until there, and then let's ls, and from here let's run. It's not executable, is it? SUID-SO, is it executable? It's not executable, is it? Hold up. 491 reader cards in EFC. Mbappe. Vinicius, Haaland, Mbappe, Vinicius, Haaland, and last one probably Bellingham. City name? What do you mean city name? User local bin. Yeah, try to run that. So let's do /SUID-SO. Oh, it actually works. Calculating something. Please wait. 99% done. Boom. Okay, nice. run trace on the file and search the output for open access calls for no such file errors. Okay, I'm gonna just run it and we'll see here what this does for us. No such file directory, no such file directory, no such file directory. Cool. Note that the executable tries to load the home user configs shared object without our home. Holland Mbappe, Rodri, and Bonmati. Okay, Rodri is a bit unexpected. Is very unexpected. Very, very expected, but interesting nonetheless. Very interesting nonetheless. I guess he has been instrumental to his second. Wow. Yeah, I guess with Spain winning the Euros, I guess it kind of makes sense, you know. With Spain winning the Euros, it makes sense. Does make sense. Alright, note that the executable tries to load home user configs libcalc.so shared object without a home directory, but it cannot be found. Create .config directory from the libcal file. Make their home.config. Okay, so we're actually gonna make that. Okay. So let's make that. We made that directory. Example shared object code can be found at simply spawns a bash shell, compile the code into a shared object at the local. Simply spawns a bash shell, compile the code into a shared object at the location that's looking for it. So GCC shared home user tools SUID calc. So we're gonna compile this into the path where it was actually, yeah, this, I guess this is where it was looking for it and it wasn't there. So yeah, I'm gonna just get that there. We're gonna compile it into that path, execute this here, and note that this time instead of progress we'll get a root shell. So I didn't really understand that. We're gonna go ahead. Yeah, we got a root shell here, and we are root. Let's get ChatGPT to do some explaining for this here, cause I am a bit lost about a little bit in the middle here. I got lost, so let's get ChatGPT to do some explaining to us here. The most unexpected thing of Ballon d'Or list shown officially is Rodrigo Began. Out of top 30 is kind of wild. I feel like he should be in there because he's been really good for Madrid, you know. Like he's like a really underrated player for Madrid, you know. Really underrated player. I feel like he scored some important goals, done some important stuff for the team, so it's kind of crazy that he's out of that top 30. I feel like he should be at least top 15, you know. So out of top 30 is a bit crazy. Okay, executing the vulnerable SUID executable. So first let's run the vulnerable executable to observe its current behavior. So yeah, this is the vulnerable executable. It shows us a progress bar. Right, cool. How do we know that he's vulnerable though? Like to start with, do we just randomly execute stuff? Like what tells us that it's vulnerable? That's the thing here. Tells us that it's vulnerable. That's what I want to know. What tells us that? Alright, running as trace to trace system calls. Next, use trace to trace the system calls made by the executable. Specifically, you're looking for attempts to open or access share libraries that result in no such file errors. These pricks say he was worse than Emiliano Martinez. Wow, that's interesting. From where? I am from Mauritius, Jupiter. What about you? Where are you from? Alright, yeah, trace. Alright, cool. So specifically, you're looking for attempts to open or access shared libraries that result in no such file errors. So okay. So, oh, okay, good. So we basically look for whenever system calls are made by this executable, we're looking when there's no such file errors. So basically, we're looking for, you know, when this makes a call, a situation where there's no file that it can call to, and therefore we create that file. And when we create it, obviously it's gonna, you know, it's gonna call it, and when it calls it, it's not gonna be the file that it expects, but it's gonna be a piece of code that's gonna give us a root shell, basically, I'm guessing. From this, you should see that the executable tries to load the shared object. Yeah, it tries to load that, but fails to find it, creating the directory for the shared object. So, you know, tries to go look for it in there. It doesn't find it, so we're gonna create the directory for it. Since I'm guessing before we created it, it wasn't there. And I'm gonna compile the malicious shared objects. You already have example source code for the shared object at there. So I'm guessing this is example source code for this code spawns root shell when loaded. Compile the. Okay, yeah, exactly. So this is like malicious code that spawns a root shell, and you know this code spawns a root shell when loaded. Compile the libcalc file into a shared object using GCC. So we're gonna compile this into a shared object using GCC. So I'm guessing GCC just compiles stuff, I guess, you know, for us. I'm guessing that's the whole utility of it. And then GCC shared, create a shared object, generate portion independent code required for shared libraries, and then specifies the output file with a vulnerable as UID expects it. Is that right? Cool, great. Executing the vulnerable executable again. Now that the shared object is in place, run the vulnerable SCID. So yeah, we run it again, and now when we run it, it's obviously gonna make the call, and when it makes the call, it executes the code that gives us the shell. This time, instead of displaying the progress bar, the SCID binary will load your malicious shared object, which is that, and you know it will spawn a root shell because the SCID runs with. So yeah, because it has elevated privileges, we can spawn a root shell with it. We can basically just elevate to root. Once you've done, you can clean up by removing the shared object. So yeah, we can remove that. The process is an example of shared. Yeah, cool. Yeah, let's remove that. Alright, so let's POD here. So let's cd into our home directory, and let's pwd. Yep, there we go in there. And let's ls. We do not have a .config, so yeah, we created it and then we added the libcalc, so it's, you know, what was expected to be found, and we created it. And yeah, it just run it with SUID privileges, and therefore we got a root shell. Cool. Alright, cool. Yeah, it's great. Complete it. Move on. Alright. And I think I am a bit cooked here, guys. We're at task 13. We'll try to get a bit more done tomorrow, but for now, I think we're gonna call it a day here, guys. Let's try to find some way to raid from InfoSec streams real quick. You know, some other people that are doing the same kind of content as us here. Let's see who we got. You know, hopefully somebody with, like, you know, not like 2,000 views or something like that. We got him. There we go.
It's not a sob story, but it's like my.
We got him. Alright, let's see what they're doing. This guy is Spanish. I can read out to him. Let's go. See ya, bro. See ya, Zaibasito. Have a great day, man. Take care. Much love. Yeah, let's close that thing. Yeah, let's trade that with this here. I'll call it a day right now. Copy. And then we can close ChatGPT. We can close this. We can do that right now real quick, and then I can read out to him. Just make sure I have nobody else that I actually follow that's live before we add somebody new here. Yeah, we'll call it a day. We'll read out to somebody new here. Why not? I'll call it a day, guys. Let's run the raid. Raid to him here. Let me just put that back on. And yeah, thank you so much for being with us here, everybody, guys. Appreciate you all a lot. Thank you for following today. Z and King Potato, I appreciate you all. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Zybas, you have a great one too, man. Thank you for being here, as well as Soup, Trey, Z, you know, anybody that I might have missed, I'm sorry. Thank you, Sia. Thank you for being here, King Potato. Appreciate you. Yeah, have a great rest of your day, night, everybody, and I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. I'm out. Bye.